Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great and also enjoying the cold weather that there is. I have been freezing over here. It's so cold. The temperatures have dipped so low. But I wanted to shoot outdoors, hence the cap and the woolen clothing that you see here. Anyway, coming back to today's video. Today we are going to be talking about a Nykaa haul, as you would have guessed from the title of the video itself. I shopped for a few things during the Nykaa Pink Friday sale and also the Republic Day sale. So I have quite a few things here to share with you guys. Some of these things arrived almost 1 or 2 months ago, so I have also been using a lot of these products, so I can also squeeze in a couple of mini reviews for you guys in between. Also, before we dive into the video, I want you guys to know that there is some construction noise in the background, so please ignore that. And now without further ado, let's dive right in. So I'm going to be going in no particular order of things. I just skim through the products as they come to my hand because then it'll be a really long video. So the first thing that I have is this pack from Maybelline, and it has 2 of their Colossal Kajals. I got this pack as a combo because then you end up saving a lot of money. So there were 2 Kajals, one of them I have opened up and one of them is still a sealed pack. Nothing much to add about these Kajals. They're super pigmented, glide on the eyes very easily, and I'm sure most of you must already own this Kajal. Moving on, I have a couple of products from Plum, namely 5 of them. The first one is this alcohol-free green tea toner. Before this, I used to use the Good Vibes pomegranate toner, and that was also a pretty good toner, but I had heard great things about the Plum toner, which is why I picked this one up. The only con that I feel this product has is it has this nozzle sort of thing that you have to take the product out from onto your palms or onto your cotton pad, whatever is suitable to you. The one that I used to use before this had a spray nozzle on top, so I could just hold it at a distance from my face and just spray it all over. It was definitely more convenient, but apart from this, no complaints from this so far. I have only used up this much, so I don't really have a full review ready of this. Once I'm done using this, I'll definitely share what I feel about this product. Next up, I picked 2 body mist from Plum, and one of the things that really attracted me towards this product was the really cute packaging. The first variant that I have is the Vanilla Vibes variant. This is the one that I have currently been using, and the other one is the Hawaii Rumba variant. I haven't opened this bottle up, not even one pump has gone out of this bottle. Wow, I just realized one of these fell off. Anyway, coming back. So 2 things that I do not like about these products is they are not alcohol free, and also the fact that they are not extremely long lasting, but I think that's the case with almost every body mist. They do last for about 3 to 4 hours, but after that you will have to touch these up. So if you do want to walk the body mist road, then you can definitely give a shot to both of these products. They're super cute and also smell amazing. The Hawaii Rumba variant is a very nice beachy sort of fragrance. You're really going to enjoy it. And the Vanilla Vibes one, needless to say, it smells like vanilla. It smells so yummy. I am someone who loves vanilla fragrance but hates the flavor, like hates how it tastes. It's a very weird thing, but it is how it is. This is not a very soothing vanilla, so if you want to try something which is very calming and has, you know, very mild vanilla undertones, this is not the one for you. It has a very strong vanilla fragrance, makes you smell like a bakery, a box of cookies. I personally love to use this on a daily basis. Apart from this, another product that I have from Plum is this huge shower cream. This is the Hawaii Rumba shower cream. This is what it looks like. I have not opened this packaging up, but one thing that I definitely know about this is that it's a shower cream, not a shower gel. So when you use this, it's not going to lather as much, but it is going to be super moisturizing on your body. So if you're someone who has extremely dry skin and regular shower gels or soaps don't cut it, you can give this a go. It's a really good product to try, and needless to say, it smells exactly the same as the Hawaii Rumba body mist. So if you want your fragrance to last even longer, you can use this and then the body mist on top of it to prolong the fragrance a little bit more. And lastly, I got a freebie for my order at Plum, and this is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. It's a mini hair mask. I haven't tried it so far, so I don't have a review ready with me, but I've heard that this is a really good moisturizing hair mask, so maybe I'll use it sometime soon when there's a wedding or some sort of function coming up. Next up, I have 2 products from Mamaearth. Now, if you guys have been following this channel, you would know that I am not particularly a big fan of Mamaearth products. In fact, I also have a full review of the Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo and Onion Hair Oil. If you want, you can check it out over here. But I had also mentioned it in that video that the audience and group of people who actually enjoy Mamaearth products are very less. And unfortunately, I was not one of them. I did not enjoy using any of those products. But surprisingly, my grandmother liked those products very well and I ordered these two for her. This is the Mamaearth Onion Hair Shampoo and this is their hair oil. I ordered the full size and you can see it comes with this sort of comb-like cap at the top. It has tiny holes over here at the top, so if you want to dispense the product, you can simply tilt it over your head and it will distribute the product evenly. Pretty convenient to use, but it's not the first brand that has come up with something like this. But I'm not going to talk a lot about these products because I already have a full review on both of them, so you can directly go and check that out. Next up, I have a very hyped face wash, and can I say that it is absolutely worth the hype. It's the simple refreshing face wash. This is such a mouthful. It took me 4 takes to get it right, but anyway, so this is one of the best selling face washes by Simple. It's meant for sensitive skin, so if you have sensitive skin condition, this is a face wash that you should definitely try. This has no alcohol, color or perfume and also is a 100% soap free formula, so acne prone people can also very easily opt for this face wash and it's going to suit you very well. Now, I have been a body lotion person since a child. I have always used body lotions, and this time I thought let's indulge myself in a little bit of something more, which is going to be more moisturizing for my body. And I got my hands on the Nykaa body butter in their Wanderlust range. This is in the variant Silicon Sweet Pea. This is how it looks like. Now, before I picked this one up from their website, I went to the store to check out the fragrances because I felt there wouldn't be a lot of difference in the formulation of the products in the same range. They were just going to be different flavors and fragrances. So I went to the store to find out which ones smell the best, and I'm so glad I tested them out first because 1 or 2 of their fragrances I did not enjoy at all. One of them smelled very coconutty and one of them smelled very strongly of gulab jal. This is the one that I liked the most, which is why I picked this up. It's super hydrating and moisturizing on the body. In fact, I'll open it up and show you guys how thick the consistency is. So if you are someone who has extremely dry skin, then you can totally pick this product up. It's going to be super duper hydrating on your body, and for winters, in fact, this is going to be a perfect choice for someone who has extremely dry skin. In fact, if you also have normal skin, you can opt for this product. It's not going to make you feel greasy or anything of that sort, and also the fragrance in this one lasts for a very long time. For me at least, the fragrance has lasted for a good 7 to 9 hours, so you can definitely pick this one up if your body is looking for some more hydration, moisturization and some more winter love. The next thing that I picked up are 2 of these foot creams from Moha. Now, I had also shown you guys the same foot cream in my last Nykaa haul somewhere around August, and over there I had shown you guys the 50-gram tube because that was the first tube that my mom had used and she absolutely fell in love with it. So this time around I ordered 200-gram packs because this works like magic on her feet. I have told you guys before how much I love this product, and my mom's feet had been cracking so much since the winters hit, but nothing healed her cracked feet more than this product. It works like magic. If you have not tried this product out, trust me, once you give it a go, you will not stop using this. I can give you my word for it. And also the reason I picked 2 of these up was because this is, most of the time I've seen this is out of stock on Nykaa, and when I saw it on Nykaa, I knew that I had to stock up on this, and this one was the backup. I have a couple of makeup products over here, so should we go with makeup or should we continue with skincare? Because I already have shown a makeup product in the beginning, which was a Kajal. I can't decide. Let's just continue with skincare products and then we can move to makeup. Alright, so the next thing that I have is a sunscreen from La Shield. This, you can see, is completely and totally squeezed out, and I ordered a new one because this is by far my favorite sunscreen. The texture is very similar to a silicone based primer, except that it is not a silicone based primer. This empty that I have over here, I showed you guys in my last Nykaa haul, so you guys can check out my full review of this sunscreen in this video over here. But if you want a sunscreen that is going to work beautifully under makeup as well and is not going to cause any sort of cakiness and is not going to feel like an added layer, give this a go. Moving on to another sunscreen which is a little more affordable than the La Shield one is this one from Neutrogena. This is the UltraSheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. This is a very old product and a holy grail for so many people out there. It's super affordable and performs really well. The texture is more on the creamier side, but not something that is going to feel extremely heavy on your skin. So if you want a more affordable sunscreen that you can wear on an everyday basis, to office, to college, to work, just anywhere, go ahead and pick this up. Moving on to another shampoo that I ordered, it's this 1 liter pack of Tresemme in the variant Hairfall Defense. Now I am well aware that this is not a sulfate-free shampoo, and I have been trying to stray away from sulfate shampoos, which is the reason why I tried Mamaearth in the first place. But so far, all of the sulfate-free shampoos that I have tried, either they do not take the oil out of my hair completely, my scalp still feels that there is some build-up, so I'm still hunting for good sulfate-free shampoo options. But till the time I don't find it, I decided to stick to this product. I have been using this product for about 10 years now, ever since I was a teenager, I guess, and it has worked fine for me. Also, one thing that I really enjoy about this shampoo is that the fragrance lasts for almost 1 to 2 days. Can you imagine? Talking about hair fall, I don't think it did anything for my hair fall, but that could also be my perspective because I have been using this for almost 10 years now, a decade. So even if there was a difference in my hair fall, maybe I didn't notice because I have been using it for so long. And my entire family has also been using the same shampoo bottle, hence the huge 1 liter pack. And moving on to the next product, I have something that I got from my mom. Now if you guys remember from the last Nykaa haul, I keep referring to that video again and again. I ordered the mini version of the Olay Retinol Moisturiser, Retinol 24 Moisturiser. And this time I picked up the full size pack. This is how it looks like. Safe to say that I am a huge fan of the packaging of Olay products. It's so cute and looks so pretty sitting on your vanity. But I still don't have a full review of this because my mom had been using the mini version of this, then she switched to the full size, and so far I would say there's little difference. But with retinol, it takes almost 6 months to show visible results, which is why I do not have my hopes very high. Retinol, if you guys don't know, is a variant of vitamin A. Works beautifully on mature skin because it also has great anti-aging properties. If in case this does not work out for her, I am planning to get her to switch to a retinol based serum because that is a lot more concentrated and I feel would be a little more effective than a retinol moisturizer. I will open it up and show you guys the consistency of this product. It's a very nice lightweight moisturizer, not going to feel extremely greasy on your skin. I'm not very sure if dry skin people would enjoy this moisturizer a lot during winters. Perhaps you might have to layer it up with another moisturizer, but it's too soon to say for me and I will not make claims about a product that I personally have not used and I do not know how it's going to perform on a certain skin type. So if you want, you can try this product yourself to find out. So we are done with skincare and now moving on to makeup. I have the most special purchase from this entire haul. I got myself MAC products. This is so special for me. I had been wanting MAC products for a very long time, but finally gave in and got myself some. In fact, the Fix Plus and this lipstick I got in this kit from Shreya Jain. It's her festive kit that she launched during Diwali with MAC. This one is called Pink Bay and it has two of their most popular products. The first one being the MAC Fix Plus. What a cult favorite setting spray, and also works beautifully as a base. I had been wanting setting sprays for a very long time and the brands that I was eyeing were NYX, Smashbox and the Fix Plus. This also came along with this MAC lipstick, one of their most beautiful nude shades. This one is MAC Mehr. In fact, I will swatch it a little bit for you on the back of my hand and you can see what a gorgeous nude shade it is. I am pretty sure that this is going to be my most favorite for at least 2 years to come. Maybe I will find a shade that is going to suit me a little bit more than this, but so far nothing beats this. So I got both of these in the Shreya Jain kit, and if you buy these products individually, they cost you somewhere around 3,700, but with this combo I got both of them for 2,600. And the next thing that I got from MAC is their Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color. This is what the external carton packaging looks like, and I will take out the product and show you guys the shade. By the way, the shade is called Topped with Brandy. It's written right over here, and this is how it looks. I am a sucker for liquid lipsticks. I always have found myself gravitating a little bit more towards liquid lipsticks, which is why I picked this one up. It has a little bit of mauve, a little bit of brown, a little bit of purple, a little bit of pink. It's so hard to describe. It is not even a wine shade. Oh my god, I have never been so bad at describing a lip shade. I'll just swatch it for you guys to see how it looks and figure it out. It's this one over here. It's so hard to describe this particular shade. I really don't know. I'm so bad at it. I'm so sorry. But I wore this shade for one of my weddings. In fact, I'll attach a picture over here or here so you guys can see exactly how the shade looks. And another thing that I got as a freebie with my order is this little pack of the MAC Strobe Cream. I think I can only squeeze out like 4 to 5 usages out of this, but it works beautifully under your makeup and gives your skin a very nice glow from within. So these were all the MAC products that I ordered. And moving on to the last 3 products, I have this eyelash glue from Miss Claire. If you guys remember from my last Nykaa haul, again I ordered a pair of lashes from Nykaa, and it did come with a tiny tube of lash glue. So when I finished that up, I decided to go in with this. It's a transparent lash glue, as you guys can see. At least for me, I felt that they are not extremely sticky, so when you take your falsies out, it would rip your real lashes along with it. In fact, my sister used the same lash glue to fix her Mantika in place. If you guys want to check out her look, I will have it linked over here. I have a full video on 10 Shadi outfit ideas, so if you haven't checked it out, you can find it here. And you can see that my sister had fixed her Mantika with this lash glue, and it did not budge the whole day. Great product, highly recommend. And moving on to the last product, I think we are done. Okay, so moving on to the last product, I have these bite-sized eyeshadows from e.l.f. These are the 2 colors that I picked up. This one is called Carnival Candy, and you can see that it has some gorgeous shades, and the other one is Truffles, and it has some really nice brown earthy undertones. These eyeshadows retail for 350 rupees each, super affordable, and the pigmentation also is bang on. Let me just open this one up and show you guys how gorgeous they look in the pan. I'm also going to swatch all these 4 shades for you to show you guys the amazing pigmentation that there is. Can you see this? Let me just swatch it over here for you. This is just one swipe. Glide on your eyes very smoothly, very versatile, and the best thing is that they are travel friendly. So in my entire Shadi outfit lookbook video, I had only used these 2 palettes for all of my 6 looks in the entire wedding series, because they are also very travel friendly. So if you ask me for an affordable but great quality option, this would be my first and only recommendation. So with that, we have reached the end of this video, guys. I really hope I did not miss out on any product, because then I would be very upset. But if you did like this haul video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I am also going to be coming up with a Zara and H&M haul very soon, so do stay tuned for that. Hit the bell icon so you're notified whenever we have a new upload on this channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.